Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing this pretty often because you guys already know that I am so deeply obsessed with content creation, production, and equipment, right? So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing this DJI Mini 4 Pro drone, and this is what it looks like. I got this a while ago for creating content, obviously, and this was my first choice only because I feel like people do this aesthetic unboxing. We're going to be doing it my style. I don't know, just sit down and chit chat about it. But let me just open up this. So I got this majorly because of the size and the price and the brand as well. I got the combo one because I wanted everything that I could get when it comes to the drone. So the mini one is so cute for the girlies like me who wants to get started with flying drone, don't want the complexities of, carrying big gears. You know me, I love small gears. That's why all my cameras are small. This is the Sony ZV-E10. My Sony ZV-1 is also compact and small. My Canon R8 is also compact and small. My Canon M6 Mark II is also very compact and small. So I like the compact and small but still very effectful and has a lot of punch and power and quality to it. So I'm gonna open this up right here. This one comes with, this is the Fly More combo with the DJI RC2 remote control. I'm gonna open this up. I'm so happy that it came with a bag. Oh, the bag feels so good. It feels sturdy. So with this, I can easily strap this on or put this in my camera bag. But I think I'm gonna be holding this way and hold my camera and I'm good to go. Let me just, this feels like good quality. Look at that. It feels so sleek and it smells so good. Not like it smells so good, but it has that new leather-ish smell. I love it. So you have a back pocket here. I've definitely used this to store like extra batteries or something. But let me open this up. I'm so excited. This can extend. So you can put this, you can wrap this around however you want. You do have this. Okay, so in here is the beauty and the star of the show. We have the drone in here. Oh my god, I can't wait to see how. Let me open that last. But also in this bag here, there are some, let me put this down here. So we have extra accessories. There are some Type-C cables, I think. Let me open this up properly. Sorry if my unboxing is a bit chaotic, but you do have extra propellers to fly with in case they get damaged. Extra accessories, basically. We have the Type-C cable. We have Type-C cables over here, which is amazing. Let me put all this back. And then we have the DJI manual that we are most likely never going to read. I'd rather watch YouTube videos on how to handle it and set it up. But next up, we have the extra batteries. It did come with 2 extra batteries and a charging case. So let me open this up. This is what it looks like. There are 2 extra batteries here. So you have the in and the out. So you can charge the batteries on here, which is amazing because this is typically how I get like my battery packs for my cameras. I usually get like set of 3, so that way it comes with a charger as well. It comes with a charging case, that way I can charge all my batteries at once. So this one is great for that. And next up we have the controller. Ooh, so I'm getting excited. Let me open this up. Yes. Whew. Oh, it's heavy. Like, it feels like quality. It feels like quality, but also sleek and sexy at the same time. Does that even make sense? So I need to figure out how to set this up, but I feel like at this point it is pretty much basic. So I'm gonna quickly screw this on and probably charge this before I get it going. So this is what the remote looks like, right? And we have the star of the show, which is the drone over here, guys. Look at how tiny this is. This is the same size as my palm. Let me open this up. I'm gonna open this up. Oh, look at how tiny it is. This is so tiny. Where's my phone? So this is the comparison between my Samsung S23 Ultra and the DJI Mini 4. Look at that. My phone is literally bigger than this guy in terms of the height, but this is how small it is. It can fit into my palm. That is how small it is. Let me quickly take this off. Okay. So, oh gosh, this is so cute. Let me see. Yes. Let's open this one up as well. Okay, so this is what the drone looks like now that I've kind of opened up the wings. I'm going to remove all this protective nylon. And I did also get ND filters for the drone. Let me remove the foam and sticker before use. Okay, I'm taking, I need to remove everything. So this is it, guys. This thing is so tiny. Like, this is so tiny and so compact. Like, look at how small it is. So let me see. I think there should be a battery in here. Yeah. So I have 3 batteries that came with it, but I'm going to be using this one, and I'm going to charge it before I use it. So I'm going to charge it quickly, and let's try this out.